Carol Baskin killed her husband, whacked him.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens, it's Amber with Absolute Amber. So today's recipe is inspired by the trash that we have all watched known as Netflix's Tiger King, and we are making a cool cat creamsicle. And this recipe is way easier than covering your husband in sardine oil and feeding him to tigers.
What?
Anyway, let's get started. So we're gonna start with our orange soda and we're gonna pour that into our blender. And then you are gonna take 2 large scoops of both a vanilla ice cream. There. And then an orange sherbet. Yummy. Ooh, I haven't had sherbet in years. It's gonna be delicious. Perfect.
Big ol' scoops.
And then my very handsome blender man is gonna go ahead and blend this up for us. There's some, that's okay. And you're gonna wanna blend this all together until smooth. Got it? Looks good to me.
Same.
Twist. Perfect. I'm gonna pour us up. Okay, so we could obviously make a little more, but that's okay. And if you're wanting to have a boozy creamsicle, you can add vanilla vodka, regular vodka, cake vodka. Ooh. But for right now, we're just gonna go with regular. And then honestly, you can never have too much whipped cream. All right. Cheers to Tiger King, and we hate Carol Baskin. Cheers. Ooh.
That is good.
I'm
It's a
not.
dreamsicle.
It is a dreamsicle. I'm not normally a fan of orange soda, but
Yeah.
Mm.
Should have made more.
we should have made more. But the cake vodka, that would really top it off.
That's next.
All right, guys, so I know it was a short video, but I hope you guys are doing really well. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time. All right, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram. Bye, y'all.
Can't convince me that it didn't happen. Fed him to tigers, they snacking. What's happening? Carol Baskin killed her husband, whacked him.